Tired of the Texas heat sneaking into your favorite spaces? At HVAC 24/7 Pro, we bring comfort where central AC just can't reach, with powerful ductless mini-split systems built for garage air conditioning, home office, container homes, and small businesses. Right now, get $500 off a brand new ductless AC unit. No ducts, no hassle, just fast, quiet, energy-efficient cooling exactly where you need it. Free estimates, fast installations, local experts, financing available. Same day and next day options ready. Call now or fill out the contact form to book your free consultation today.